So today I'm going to show you the swimming facility in Kyushu University.
For my YouTube channel.
So here we have dry room and changing room. We have lockers. Here is the washroom. And then after that, we straight go to swimming pool where we enjoy at least twice a week. And yes, we have all kinds of facility here. We can do warm up here before going to the pool. And there is a helper sitting over there. And one important thing is that we have weighing balance also here. And that's my friend Shanshan. She is from China and she is my new friend, and we go to swimming together always, almost whenever we get time. And I'm so happy.
And it's so little. I'm just thinking where I will fit inside.
So she is another friend, Wu Jiao. She is also from China. And right now
I
we
always
are just thinking how to fit inside her car.
Hello.
So that's it for today.